All right, y'all, Plated&Pours is all about friends and family, cooking up some amazing plates of food and some unbelievable wine. Today, you're gonna check out exactly what we got going on. Let's go.
Bussin'.
Super juicy.
Super juicy.
That's super juicy.
So juicy, super juicy.
It was really juicy, really juicy.
That crust was able to seal in all that flavor, all the juices from the meat, and it just made it so good.
It's pretty juicy and au jus. It's pretty good.
Au jus that goes with it, it's just amazing. Melts in your mouth along with the mashed potatoes. If you combine the two, out of this world.
My favorite was that prime rib. That crust on that guy was awesome. The rub, the au jus, can't beat it. It was great.
That reduction, out of this world.
I want more of that.
That's the most beautiful thing I've ever tasted.
Beef tenderloin was delicious.
Cook on it was perfect.
Really tender.
So juicy.
The red wine reduction was really good. And
Great every single time.
it's so much flavor.
Literally melts in your mouth.
Tons of flavor. As soon as you bite into it, there's this burst with flavor.
Yeah, it's like an explosion. Absolutely phenomenal. Should we try the ranch? Wow. Thoughts?
Really good.
The consistency on it's like amazing. Like, look at this. It's beautiful.
The croutons are legitimately the best croutons you will ever eat.
Croutons are fabulous. My favorite.
Croutons were amazing. They were soft and they taste really good.
Buttery, delicious bite of heaven. Love the ranch dressing.
11 out of 10. Like, so close that I can chop on up over. I don't.
They make your salad the best. It's perfect.
Garlic, bacon, cheddar, mashed potatoes. Cordell, what are your thoughts?
Still eating it.
Yeah, he won't stop eating it.
Delicious mashed potatoes at their finest.
Mashed potatoes, those are really good.
The texture was wonderful. I love the cheese and the bacon. Melts in your mouth, and I look forward to it every time I get to have it.
The cheesiness, the creaminess, it was so good.
And the taste was out of this world.
Dude, that's killer.
It's great.
Is a kid approved?
Yes, it is.
Definitely does not compare to my box brownies.
Really good.
Really does.
I said stop eating it.
Coffee flavor really enhances the brownie flavor.
Well, those are the best. That coffee in there, the chocolate, it's good stuff.
Go premium. It is worth it.
Bussin'.
In the words of my 5-year-old, those premium cookies are bussin'.
Cookies. Because they're really soft.
100% the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had. Don't tell my grandma, but they were better than hers.
Those are really good.
The cookies were so good. They're better than what you'll get from your basic grandma cookies. The ingredients really shine through. You get some fluff. You get some extra density. They're really good.
I think I agree with the consensus. Those aren't grandma cookies. They are good. They're chocolatey. They're fluffy. They're awesome.
Dude, this freaking wine is off the chain.
Fabulous.
So flavorful.
Out of this world.
We got to have it.
Just hits the spot.
I will be following Rob's recipe from now on.
All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed today's show. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good, great stuff. Until next time, ciao. Let's go! All right, so this will be the ending. So we're gonna see what we recorded earlier, all the yummy clips, and blah 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 blah. And then this is gonna be like, I hope you enjoyed. Check us out, subscribe, etc. Okay, let's go. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed all the. No, that's fucking stupid. Let's start something else.
Yeah, that's gonna be the Blooper now.
All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's show. Make sure to subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff.